Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you Leonardo AI Canvas tutorial. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Here in Leonardo AI, it actually is a tool here where it's called AI Canvas, where it actually allows you to expand an image. If you, for example, an image is just a picture of a garden, but if you want it enlarged, AI will actually generate you the image that it will extend that original image that you have. So what you can do is go to your user tools when you sign in into your AI, Leonardo AI, and click on AI Canvas. And here we will be uploading an image. So here on the left side panel, you have your tools. You can upload the image first. Once you have chosen the image, you can upload it here. And what you can simply do is that you need to resize the image first. Make sure that it's similar to the square image that you can see. Since that square image, or you can actually resize that as well, you'll actually be using that, or that's actually the tool that will allow you to extend the image that you currently uploaded here on the AI Canvas. So you make sure that half of the square is on the original image and the other half is on the outside of the image. So you can actually just write in the prompt here on the bottom, you can write extend and wait for it to fully load. And here on the right side panel, you can set up on how many image it will generate, what is the dimension of the box. You can also modify as well the um, how intense or what the guidance scale is for this um, image that you have. So here, if you're not satisfied with the first image that was generated, you can actually add more prompts to it. So extend um, simple or similar style, black and white only, and it will provide you images that's very similar to your image that you downloaded here. So you can just browse or click on the arrows here so that you'll be able to see the other images that was generated. And then once you agree to that image, you can actually click on accept, and that image will now be merged into the original image that you uploaded. Here's another example. You can generate that once again if you're not satisfied until you find the right image that you want to incorporate into those um, art or this image that you want to generate. Here. So you can actually have a paintbrush tool as well. So if there's a portion in the image that you want to incorporate, or if you want only that part will be um, generated with an image. So let's say you want to add a butterfly, and along these brush strokes, these butterflies will be added into your image. Here, or you can also have the same prompt, but these the paintbrush is actually used if you want to incorporate a few details into the image. For example, add a ribbon, and it will automatically add a ribbon for you, or if you want to add a text or anything that you want to incorporate into the image here. Here is an example, but if you're still not satisfied with that, you can just click on cancel, and then we can use another prompt here where let's try to extend the body of the image that we have here. You can just click on generate, and there you have it. You can see that it definitely created you an image that's very similar to the original image that you have. So you can continue doing this until you find or you filled out all the spaces, or until you're satisfied with the image that you created. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.